Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to boost your processor speed. Just a little tweak, you can boost up your processor. Sometimes you play the game or you do multitasking and your processor could be lagging, and we'll try to fix that issue today, and I'll show you step by step how to do it. Very simple, anybody can do it. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing, I'm going to click on the start button, and then I'm going to take power, and then edit power plan. Then once you come over here, see that change advanced power settings, click on here. And once you come over here, you're just gonna scroll down a bit, look for that processor power management. Okay, and you're just gonna click on that plus sign, and all you have to make sure is minimum processor is like 0 and maximum processor should be 100. See, mine is set to already 0 on battery, and also when it's plugged in 0 as well. Okay, this is done. And once you come over here, maximum processor state, it should be 100%. Okay, as you can see, on battery 100% and plugged in is 100% as well. So if you do this tweak, I'm pretty sure you're gonna see the boost up in your processor speed. It's gonna run faster and it's gonna process faster, and you should not have any problem with running multiple application in one time, which is like multitasking, right? And this is how you do it. I mean, it's very simple. I mean, it's no big deal, right? Because what happened is, like, on most of the laptop or desktop, they have that thing is like reverse. Okay, minimum processor, so when I check it out, like minimum processor state was like 100%, and the maximum processor state was like 0% on my computer. Since I switch it, minimum for 0 and maximum for 100%, I see the big difference, and you guys should see the difference as well. Okay, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you like this video, please consider subscribing my channel, and like and comment, and let me know if that helped you to boost up your processor speed or not. If it doesn't, like, don't like swear at me or something. Maybe you didn't do it properly. I'm just kidding, you know. I mean, it should work, like, you know, there shouldn't be any issues. Any issue, hit me in the comment down below. Until next time, stay fit, and thanks for watching.